Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another brand new video to show you guys on how you can refresh suggestion on your OnlyFans. First of all, you just have to log into your OnlyFans account from your Google Chrome. After that, you'll be on the home screen where you can see suggestion on the right side of the screen. Here you can scroll from previous to next by using these two buttons, and if you have already seen all the suggestions on your screen, you can simply just click on this button, which is refresh, and the suggestion will now be refreshed. And here you can see all the suggestions are new now, and that's how you can refresh suggestion on your OnlyFans account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.